People, I mean, I kind of know. DJ Jason here, see me. Yo, when we did about 20, when we did forward, yes, sir.
2020 or 2021.
And the first time, love it.
Come and see me there, come and say, I bar me go and drink a reggae boy and I give you man in trouble.
Yeah.
You know, anyway, you man, you listen to find out.
I know that's a kind of. The girl, them shine up. See, this is Travelers Beach Resort. They have some start the movement. You see me? Most beautiful place in Jamaica, right here, so. Just Google Travelers Beach Resort. You can always go on there, eat breakfast and do things. You see me?
Yeah, see it,
yeah.
Reggae boys.
Reggae boys. Now, this are the best beach in Jamaica. See the Natty Bend. Yeah? I know you want people to see it.
Yes, that one I can do for the status. Make sure that one I do for the status. Yes.
People.
Well, I'm going to turn up in the water.
Put up your bag on here, so. Yo, how come I can't see the phone? I can't see the phone. Yo, open it up. Open it up.
Right, you know there's so much going to go on now.
Put it on camera. Video, it's a record now. You can't take picture and record at the same time?
Yeah, no, you know if you must say silent when you leave.
No, me switch it round. Then with the picture button there. At time you have it fun.
Nah man, the shame man.
You sure? Yo, put it on video, man. At time you have fun. Watch it.
I don't think it.
So you can't take video and picture at the same time?
No, put it on.
Yeah, new phone is?
Yes, so you have to do
slow.
You want to do it so you have to move.
Right, yes, sir. When you go on video? Go on video. You press it. With the picture button there, that's all? Alright, people. Brother, go put on your bag. Brother, go put on your bag, brother. Countryman come beach. Look on it. About 20 years in Negril Beach.
Anybody saw me, look at it, watch. Like me, not gonna stop.
This is the life. This is the good life. And yo, Jason, the things I live 45 minutes from this, brother. Me live 45 minutes from Yasso. That's why Moby are the best place. Then after 45 minutes or so, then Rowan River 45 minutes.
Make your side when we're going to see if they come to climate, nothing.
Alright, so. You're funny and happy. Alright, me now go. Alright, people, stop recording. Stop recording. Seeing the Jamaica good life, change and balance, disciple, changing life. Go baptize yourself, boy. You need water, boy. You need water in your life. Hey, tap a nice for my camera. Hey, look on the water, people. Hey, look how beautiful. You feel the sun. You feel the sun, brother. People, see him there.
Oh man, you have to take a picture. You see that on side, me there, man. I'm here. I'm just standing there, but now I'm here.
How you feel?
I am really in the water, I get trouble. We split them out and light up, go light too.
How many you bring lighter in the water? You know no sense. You know no sense.
A skill whiskey that no sense.
You don't have no sense.
Look how we're like clean in the water.
You know have no
Mind the
sense.
boy go and tell me.
You have no sense, brother.
Tell you say that go light.
Yeah, that is kind of people. I will keep him out of trouble. He made it.
Wow.
How much years you know there in the ocean?
Me? Can't chew me on a fish, me not go in there.
Wow, listen to
But
your media.
Alright. The same time come on beach, I see people in the water, me not go in there. Actually water clear, you know, they get me going in. Long as people in there and you know me not go in there if you please.
He's an idiot. So when people are sucking air from the oxygen, he idiot boy. He don't have sense. He don't have sense, people. He live a Manchester too long. He needed a wash off. Salt. The boy salt. He need more salt. We're good.
Oh man, when they have to send me them, I have to put up them a good picture. And that's why I should give my phone.
Yeah, we check some man. You check. Jason. This is Jason having a lot of fun. Done. The boy stay out of trouble. At them time you have to bring Ghetto youth in the water, you know, because if they turn in a mandible too long, they head chip. So you have to help them. Because look at water make them happy and laugh. But then dark, like Vibe Cartel.
I know, boy, a chronic law dog.
A chronic law dark. See my laugh now, idiot. Chronic law dark. Foolishness. When if you smile and laugh, both in the dark. And some water on the want.
So like that, we will pull out later.
Yes, you might have fun, people. This is Jamaica Good Life. Charity, see? Bring
Say what at all, you
Bring-
cover me. You see which one you
Bring
reach,
Ghetto
cover me.
youth, so they don't kill nobody. Bring them come and see. Because if them not go and see, they can't touch the Almighty and turn full. Eh? But them a chronic law. You need to be water law. Peace and tranquility. See, ne? And go roaring river. Bring him go see. Take him out of the country. Manchester people need to go beach more often. Then get to you, they need
No,
to.
have to go beach. We go about with us, we go into the crowd here. You see, in the holiday and so we go to beach.
Because then dark. Then dark. People, then dark. When you do a country, you get dark too much. See him happy. I mean, never did I go bring him in now. Because I don't know fair.
No, Fred, we're going to drink reggae boys soon. Reggae boys.
Yes, see there.
Put me lighter in, because I feel like I want to die. Don't put on me lighter.
This is Randy. Best beach in the world. This is Jamaica Good Life. Ghetto youth that. In my Jamaica Good Life Farmers Agenda. When you see the Ghetto youth, them get baptized with change and balance. In my disciple of change and balance. And that him use for sent. So basically, change and balance, the philosophy, is what he used to change his life and stay out of trouble. So the teachings that I bring to them is working. The book, All Equal Change and Balance, is the only truth in the universe. And that is what they get to use them using. So I set a foundation where I save life. Crude Oil, Tallman, Jason, Gaza, Mr. Foster, all of them use change and balance with thinking of them head before them do something. We save a life, you know. Thanks to Janet X to help him out in getting driver's license. Enough people help out the program and help them. Mr. Brown will help Gaza. So you see him there? He was the worst of them. See, he was the worst. But look on him and laugh. But look on him. That was the worst of them. So Ghetto youth have an opportunity and now you need a white girl from Sweden now.
Yeah.
That is Jason, ladies. He's single.
Yeah, man, just.
Yeah. So what kind of ladies do you like, bro?
Me?
What kind of wife you want?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
What you that's now?
Yeah.
Oh, Jamaica, oh, no, just lawyer.
Just be a lawyer or loyal.
Lawyer,
She just
and real. You can be a lawyer, half a lawyer. character still not adapt.
What you have IG, Insta, what you have? Nothing.
I have a social media, but I don't really use it.
You know use it. Give them your IG.
Oh, Crime Minister.
Crime Minister, so you
Yeah, Crime 007.
Crime 007.
Yeah.
So you're a criminal.
Huh? No.
So why you name Crime Minister?
Every Jamaican have a different name.
Okay, alright.
Oh, you like?
So ladies, if you don't want to marry him and get him a job so he work, do that for him. The boy need a job. We can't make him so workless. You're 33, right? You need a family.
No, 32, 33 this year.
He's 32 and he want a family. Him change him life. Him need a wife. Ja. See him there. Yeah man, so
How long me I swim? Oh, you need to go. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
So we drive from Mandeville about 5 o'clock, we reach 7 o'clock Warren River, then we reach us on Negril. So we just Google Travelers Beach Resort and you reach. So I want to bring them out of the tough Manchester to get them some water. Because water is the balance, you see? And then, I don't know, maybe we'll go Portland or St. Thomas. But this are the journey of a youth. Water is the healing, you know? Yeah man. You know, Jason asked that lady if she's single, if she wants to mingle. Hello, how are you doing? Chop a line, chop a life. Need a wife.
That's a deep out, that's a...
Eh?
That's how it is, a deep out, that's a...
Yeah man. People look how beautiful it is, you know. Look on the liberty, sir. Look on the boy. He no be the afternoon. Cause you can't swim, right?
Yeah, that's him, but me come from Manchester, me not promise you.
Alright, there goes a nice girl, Jason. Walk towards her, make you move. Let's see you work the magic, brother. Nice girl, that. Walk. Alright, do your thing. Let me see if you're a man. See her then. Nice girl. You know, you see him, boy. You see when him see something real now, he freeze up. You tell her brace up, man. Watch me move. Watch me make my move. Watch ya. Hello, chop a life. I want a wife. Chop a line. See the girls, them the way you want, man. That is, yo, Jason, all you have to do is walk on the beach. Hey, I'm gonna spend 30 minutes here and you better find a woman, brother. Run feet, Jason. Run feet. Swedish girl. They're the nicest, nicest. Yo, just walk on the beach and make the old man them see, brother. Rent a dread. Go on, Jason, go feet. Run feet, brother. Get himself a girl, man. Time them get to you to get a girl. Fly out, so them not die out. At time get to you get a girl. You don't need to fly out, so not die out. You know what I say? So Jason, this is what you do. Do this for me. See 3 women there come. All me need you to do is just walk. Just walk. Walk and go. Just do. Broke your ducks, man. See 3 women there come there, sir. Eh? It don't matter what color, brother. You say, oh, you gonna fly out go Sweden? Eh? I'm to the brother, man. I'm trying to get the boy to fly out, you know. Go up in the sky out, you know. Me not like too much. Can't in my fry out, you know. Yo, see it there? Jason. 1, 2, 3. You're more if you do. Just walk in front of them. Just stand up right there, so. Yes, my brother. See them there. Yes, brother. Do it today. Today is Bob. Yes. See them there, Jason. Work. Yes, my brother. Make it happen. Yes, brother. Wait there. They might turn off. Wait there. So then that means, wait, what go on? The liberty, you know, people. It's a change and balance. It governs everything in the universe. So I start the movement and look over there now. I have the best life in the world. I live here, 45 minutes away. You know? Chopper life. Still looking for the wife. You know, sir, I meet some ladies, but them surrounded. You're too rough, you know. You're too tough, you know. Cause I Brooklyn we grew up, you know. New York City. Go through Jamaica, sometime life not pretty. We're Pan African in the city. No lion, we say no kitty. So basically, we have to be tough because we are warriors. So we're up on the streets where they get a youth them and save them life. You see me? So basically, the whole liberty here is amazing. You know. Yeah man, the youth there, good youth, him heart good. Sometimes in a Jamaica things can be so mental. You see? 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 Oh, white girl like him already. Chopper life. I need a wife. Yo, Chopper life. Yes, Jason, man. I have to bring them to the thing, you know, you have to bring them to the beach. I have to bring them to the beach because look on it, man. Jamaica. Even if I sardine, bread or butter. And even if I live in the ghetto and the gutter. Jamaica may not leave. May I talk it plain now stutter. This is Randy, the girls them candy. Big up to my friend named Sandy. Babylon where you dip on, watch where you step on. Randy's a weapon. Scatter, shatter, the girls them cutter. No care if you're slim or you're fatter. Bad man ride bicycle, little boy ride icicle. Where him say? No, bad man ride bicycle, little boy ride tricycle. Where the girls them what? Icicle. Album soon come out. Boom boom, what you talking about? Free Randy. Yeah man, see the liberty. Just wave. Hello, how you doing? Wave. Jason, the girls them bracing. See the you see a man so happy. See you. Love it. Brother, you love it. Huh? Love it.
Eh? Yeah. Say.
You love it. Yes, you know. Brother, you can't swim. You can't really swim, right?
Can't help myself.
You can't help yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
You test me a big swim. I can't help myself.
Okay, brother.
Oh, love me to try me something. Years upon years, me no finger and swim so.
Yeah.
No, remember why I don't like water. I don't like salt water.
Why is that?
You taste everything on the day.
What you say?
You taste water and everything salt.
Those salt good for you, man. And it get rid of parasites from your system through your body. Yes, man. Yes, man. In Jamaica, we blessed, man. This is the place that's the best, man.
Yes, I'm doing the girl. Look at two and see one.
What you say?
Look at two and see one. You see, yes, I'm doing the girl. You hard after you move. You see, you want to go towards, so you have to go underneath the water to go. You come towards you. I saw me see you switch, so I switch too.
Brother, let me tell you something. Alright, well, let me take a sip. Watch me. Let me do my thing. All the good in it. Alright, watch Randy.
Oh, yeah, we could use one.
big time swimmer. Randy's a winner. All the girls them with fat are the sinner. Please give me your number. Yes. Yeah, man. The life, yeah, so. You know, Jamaica, no normal.
At least you know, say sun gone out of me, you know, we all of them going to the choir. That's what we're going to be a dive.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Look at that, it's a good look in the water. Your fire Sunday, you fish on me. In the water.
Yeah. Woman, not go marry him, man. Go take care of him. You need a 60-year-old woman to marry you and take care of you.
They can't breed. 60-year-old, they reach me
They
in a
can't
pass.
breed. You need a woman who can breed.
Yes, 60-year-old reach me in a pass.
You need a child.
Yes.
See?
Oh, you got a joke I carry that.
Lady, him a look for a man for bill him and straighten him up, line him up good, take care of him. See him there? He can't work. Take care of him for me, please. Give one on the daughter. Take care of him, he heart good. Sometimes I not forgive him pill for his head though, but he heart good. Yeah, man. The beach life is for ghetto youths them because everybody deserves a chance in a life. Look here, man. That's why we can't left Jamaica, you know. I don't eat meat no more, you know. So I get some cucumber, some carrot, and set up the thing and do a road trip and some thing and blend up some oil and garlic and thing.
This was no holiday. No, it's my holiday.
Yeah, man, seems that this is a, we're not even, this is a big thing. I'm not go to the beach for so long. You have to bring, when you see youth in a problem, just bring them to the beach. And wash off.
Look at that.
Yeah. This is the life. Until next time, people, take care of yourself.